Thank you for watching. My name is Thomas and you're watching Tom's Tech Academy. You've probably already experimented with Chat-GPT and you already know Python. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to connect Python with Chat-GPT. Let's start right away. If you want to work with OpenAI, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of OpenAI installed. So open your command prompt, this one, press enter, and then type pip install OpenAI. And of course, this requires you to have Python already installed. If you don't have Python installed yet, there is another video on my channel that explains the entire installation process. Click enter. You see that in my case, the OpenAI library has already been installed. So we can continue with the next step. And then we're going to import the library. So from OpenAI, import OpenAI. In the second part, we have to authenticate, and this is where the OpenAI API key comes in. If you don't have an API key yet, you can navigate to platform.openai.com and then click here on API keys, and then you can generate a new secret key. I'm going to call this one 8 December 2023, create the secret key, and make sure that you keep this key for yourself. Otherwise, people can freeload on your account. Navigate to VS Code, and then we're going to type client is OpenAI API underscore key is equal to, use double quotation marks, and then we're going to paste the API key here. Okay, let's now continue with generating the chat completion. Chat underscore completion is equal to client dot chat dot completions dot create. Now we have to provide parameters. So first I'm going to provide the list with messages, and then I'm going to select the model. So messages is list, and in this list I'm going to add a dictionary, where the role is user, and the content, and this is where I'm going to add the actual prompt. So I'm just going to refer to prompt here. And then let's also add prompt here. Prompt is equal to, what's the most popular ski resort in Europe? Like this. So now we have provided a list with messages. We have only included one message in this case. And then I'm going to select the model, which is equal to, in this case, GPT-3.5- Turbo. And I'm later going to show you how you can also change this model. Then let's print chat completion on our screen. And then let's run our script. Okay, so you see in return, we get a list of choices. And every choice has then a message. And this message also includes content. So let's use this information to select exactly the right content. So print chat completion dot choices. And I want to pick choice 0 dot message dot content. Let's run a script. And then we get back, the most popular ski resort in Europe is often considered to be Val Thorens in France. Okay, let's now also see how we can change to ChatGPT 4. If you want to use ChatGPT 4, you have to make sure that you have a paid account. And in order to do that, navigate to chat.openai.com, click on your name, and then click here on my plan. You see that I already upgraded to the Plus plan. If you didn't do that yet, you cannot use ChatGPT 4. If you want to use ChatGPT 4, you have to upgrade. So in case you already upgraded, let's navigate back to this page. Search for models here. And you find here all the models that you can use. And in this case, I'm going to use ChatGPT -4. So just pick this model and put it here. And then let's run a script again. I see that we get back a different and also shorter result. The Val Thorens in France is considered the most popular ski resort in Europe. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.